Right guys, it's a miserable day. Still not got any car ferry, so it's a long way around again this morning. But we're going to make an attempt to get these windows in today, or at least make a start, and then use up what insulation we've got inside. So, see how we get on. Take it out, stick it on here. So you can see we made a bit of a dog's dinner on this one. I took the wrong size, I was looking at the wrong the wrong window size. So I've just cut the paper there now. We're going to fit it, the window there now, just get it in, and then we'll make a wee box, slide it in, fix it afterwards. Windows and doors are in. Next up, we're going to start putting sills on the windows. Start throwing the water away from the building. So you can see the sills have got this little fin on them, which just helps go into the wee slot, and that keeps it there. That's serrations, and I like to put a bit of silicone either side, and it just helps seal it all there. Sometimes you need a wee screw under as well, just an extra. I'll do it. Good. So we're a wee bit short materials here, so now we're just going to use up everything we've got for today. So we're going to jump outside while the sun's out. We just pinged a line. We're going to put our mesh on, our bug mesh, whatever you want to call it. We'll stick that on, then we'll start sticking some battens on for the cladding.
Do you want one just in your end?
Yuji's been busy inside, trying to crack on with some insulation. Well, the water seems to be staying out, not bad, but we're waiting the roof sheets, so we're actually just going to crack on and get some insulation done, I think. Keep things moving. Right, that's as far as we're going to get today. We have run out of wood, run out of the 2 inch and a half. We're about 4 lengths short to finish the gable, which is a bit of a pain. It would be nice to just tick that off. But not the end of the world, still we need to wait on the cladding to arrive, so half an hour will see that done before we start. What else are we up to? Well, we're actually having to rush away early because our ferry, which has just arrived back, has broken down again and it's not going to be running the rest of the day or tomorrow morning. And we have a window order arriving tomorrow on top, which I need to be back for, so it's a long way home via Lochhallen again, an hour and a half to that port, so we're going to head off. Cracking day though, I think it's going to be the best day of the week. Hi guys, that's us for this one. I've just dropped off Yuj on the passenger ferry. That's her there. I'm about to begin the journey round up the peninsula and to Lochhallen, so I can get the ferry over to Mull. So I can get the van home. We are pausing this job for now because we're waiting on roof sheets and cladding. So we're going to go and start another wee job in the meantime because this ferry's just causing havoc while we wait on the second fix materials to the house within the house as well. House inside the house, whatever it's called. That one anyway. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Cheers for now.
The Amazon, the delivery part of Amazon.